Welcome to the third video on how to get your face-to-face training online. Today's topic is around how do I actually convert my training materials into a format that's suitable for the online environment. Well, it's good that you asked that. I'm going to answer that and show you how. I'm Suzette Bailey from S7 Learning, and I'm going to talk to you about how to get your training materials from a face-to-face course online. It's not as simple as just converting them into a format from Word and using something like a Word to HTML converter. Word's notoriously bad at providing, when you do converting into a web format, of taking a lot of junk across. And this junk is going to be available as in part of your site. Converting your face-to-face materials into a format that's suitable for an online environment is not as simple as just doing a straight conversion in Word. Word's notoriously bad at converting content into a web format. Even though it may look okay, there's a lot of junk going on underneath, which can actually mean that it looks different and can look really quite bad on different people's computers. And when people are using this for learning, they don't want to be looking at it and going, I can't read the information. They want to be able to just read your information and flip through to the appropriate areas. So it needs a little bit of work on your part to actually make sure that the training materials are in a format that's suitable to actually be used in your online system. As part of this process, it's making sure that you actually have good styles in your Word document. Just making everything look bigger and look right isn't a good way to start. Make sure that you actually use Word styles. And if you don't know what that means, it's probably a good time to actually consider getting a developer or someone else to help you with this. When we started to look at converting our training materials, I looked at it and went, I'm not doing this myself, so I got somebody in to do it for me. One of the things it's done is helped us to actually work out how we can do it, and we're actually helping other businesses just like us to convert their training materials online. For the ones who are out there who actually do know what I'm talking about, what we're doing is converting ours from Word into HTML and jQuery. What this means, and these are the questions to ask regardless if you know what I'm talking about or not, is ask your developer to make sure that the training materials are useful and that they can be viewed on a tablet PC. Generally good to ask also that they can be viewed on a mobile and that they can also be viewed well on a PC. And this is important. A lot of people are now wanting to be able to do their training while they're sitting on a train or a bus, while they're commuting to their work. And so you making your training materials available in a format that they can see on a phone or a tablet PC such as an iPad or a Surface or a Google device means that you can actually help your students understand your information better. If you only make the training materials available through a PC, you are limiting the amount of students that are going to access your content. So for the most of us, this is going to be a little bit beyond our range of abilities. So I strongly suggest that you actually get somebody to help you. So if you want some more information around how you actually can get some help, go to www.s7learning.com and we'll see about how we can help you get your training materials online.